Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Today in this video I will show you how to make a very beautiful and wonderful necklace design using seed beads and pearls. To make this necklace, I will first take 4 pieces seed beads and 1 piece of 10 mm pearl bead. Now I will give a knot. Hope you will like this necklace design very much. Give a like if you like it. Now I will take 4 pieces seed beads. Now I will take 2 pieces seed beads. I will take 2 pieces seed beads again. I will take a seed bead and passing the needle through 3 seed beads. Again I will take a seed bead and pass the needle through 3 seed beads. We will continue this process 6 times in total. After adding 6 seed beads, we will fill these gaps by adding seed beads one by one. Now our small flower design is ready. We have to make a total of 3 pieces of the same flower. Now we will put the 3 flowers together. The needle should be taken through the seed beads 2 by 2 of each flower. Then we will give a knot. And we take the needle through 6 seed beads and tighten the design. I will finish the pendant design by taking the needle through the 6 seed beads on the opposite side and tightening it. The chain design. I will show the process of making this chain design in 4 steps. So let's start with the first step. Now we will take 2 pieces 8 mm pearl bead and 2 pieces seed beads. Now we will give a knot. Here you can see that we have to continue the next process from the seed beads. In this case, it cannot be done from pearl beads. For that, I will take the needle through the seed beads. Now I will take 2 pieces 8 mm pearl and 1 piece seed bead. I will take again 2 pieces 8 mm pearl and 1 piece seed bead. Now again take 2 pieces 8 mm pearl and 1 piece seed bead. In this way we have to continue this same process. You can see that I have made it 5 times here. In the same way, we have to make a total of 16 times. We will start our second step when 16 8 mm pearls are added in one line. That is total of 32 8 mm pearls. Let's start the second step. First we have to take 2 pieces seed beads and 1 piece pearl bead. Then we take 1 piece seed beads and 1 piece pearl bead. Again I will take 1 piece seed beads and 1 piece pearl bead. We have to continue this process till the end of the second step. By adding 1 piece seed beads and 1 piece pearl bead, we completed our second step. Now we will start the third step. First we have to take 2 pieces seed beads and 1 piece pearl bead. Then we will take 1 piece seed beads and 1 piece pearl bead. Again take 1 piece seed beads and 1 piece pearl bead. We have to continue this process till the end of the third step. Complete the third step by adding 1 piece of seed beads and 1 piece pearl bead. Here we see 3 seed beads are in a line. There are 4 pearls in a line. Now we will go to the fourth step. Now we have to take 1 seed bead and move the needle through the 3 seed beads. Here you have to see the process very carefully. When 4 seed beads are put together in one thread, I will take the needle down through the pearl bead. Then add another seed bead and take the needle up through the side pearl bead. Now take 3 pieces seed beads. Now take 2 pieces seed beads. Now take 2 pieces seed beads again. Now take 1 piece seed beads. Now take 8 pieces seed bead. Now complete the design of the chain. Now we will continue to add 1 seed beads in each step, and with the seed beads that I will add, I will continue to attach it with 3 seed beads each side. Take 1 piece seed beads. Now take 3 pieces seed bead. Now take 2 pieces seed beads. Again take 2 pieces seed bead. Now take 1 piece seed bead. Take 1 piece seed beads. chain design is complete. We have to make 2 chains of such same design. Now we will attach this chain to the pendant. Design is complete. Now add jump ring and tassel. I hope you like this amazing beautiful necklace design. If you like it, please give us a like and don't forget to comment how you feel. Please support our channel DiyArtiePie by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching our entire video. Bye bye dear.